Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. This is part 18 of the chapter linear equations in one variable. In this part 18, we will be solving equations having the variable on both sides. After that, we will solve questions of the exercise 2.3. Now, solving equations having the variable on both sides is just solving such equations which have expression with the same variable on both the sides. Here the variable must be same with the same variable on both sides. For example, this is example 12 of textbook I have taken. Solve 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. See students, you have here the variable term 2x where the variable is x and the variable term x, that is again variable, same variable x. So, you could find even in both the sides of equality, that is in left hand side and the right hand side, you have got variable term. So, solving this is as same as solving variable term in any one side of a equality. How it is same? Let me explain you. Here 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. First I will take away this minus 3, this subtrahend 3. To get rid of this subtrahend 3, I have to add 3 on both sides. Then automatically I will not have this subtrahend in left hand side, it is going to be added in right hand side. So, the same step I called by transposing 3. So, we explained transposing subtrahend 3 to RHS. So, here this minus 3 added with one more plus 3 will get cancelled, gives us only 2x. So, 2x equals to x plus 5. Now students, since I have variable term even in left hand side as well as in right hand side, I have to get rid of this variable. That means I have to have all the variable terms in one side, all the numbers the other side. For that, now I will subtract x on both sides. Why should I subtract? I have to subtract because x is here in right hand side as addend. Next, why should I subtract only x? Because I have to have only numbers in one side and only variables in the other side. So, coming to the next further, so we will solve this 2x minus x equals to x plus 5 minus x. Now, this addend x with this subtrahend x will get cancelled, it gives only the number on right hand side. In left hand side, I have got 2x minus x. That is how we say from this step transposing x, addend x to LHS. That the way also we can say this same step. Now, here I have got variable terms in left hand side, all the numbers in right hand side. How to solve this 2x minus x? Students, very important. Here the variable terms have the same variable, and moreover we are learning the linear, so their power will be 1 only. So we will do addition subtraction of these just like integers addition subtraction. Here there is x means it is 1x and subtrahend as 1x. You know how to do 2 minus 1 in the case of integers. This is a difference of two integers which is equals to 1. So whereas here I have got 2x minus 1x, nothing but we have 2 minus 1 only. For further, if you want to understand this, it is something like, let me label x as a 2 books, x as books. So 2 books, I have 2 books, from them I am taking away 1 book, so I will remain with 1 book. So here variable tells some number or some an object how I have taken here. In mathematical sense it tells about a number. So 2 into that number minus 2 into 1 into the same number supposed to give 1 into that number only. In this articles way you can easily understand. So 2 books minus 1 book is 1 book, or 2 caps, from them if you take away 1 cap you will have 1 cap left over. So likewise here the 1 into x will come in left hand side, which is equals to 5. Now this 1 into x is nothing but x equals to 5. You got a value of a variable, therefore x equals to 5 is the solution of the given equation. So this is how we solve. Now let us discuss one more example. Here I am taking example number 13, wherein which you could see variable term, that 5x and 3 by 2x in both the sides of equality. So how to solve this equation? Students, here also first of all this left hand side and right hand side, in them I have got numbers which are fractions. To get rid of this fraction I can multiply on both sides by 2, which is the LCM of these denominators. Here 2 and here 2, LCM of that 2 and 2 is 2 only. Then 2 into 5x plus 7 by 2 is equals to 2 into 3 by 2 times x minus 14. This is just like multiplication over addition distribution property that we are doing. So 2 into 5 is 10, 10x plus, so 2 into 7 by 2, 2 into 7 by 2 is 7 equals to 2 into 3 by 2x, 2 into 3 by 2, 2 can cancels after multiplication gives 3x, 2 into minus 14 gives you minus 28. And now here all the variable terms to be taken one side and all the constant terms or numbers to be taken on the other side. So for that, first I will transpose this addend to left hand side, transposing 7 to RHS. Then 10x equals to 3x minus 28. Since this is addend, becomes in right hand side subtrahend after transposing. Now on simplification, 3x minus 28 and minus 7 gives you minus 35, and here 10x is there in left hand side. So, 10x will remain as it is. Now students, by transposing this 3x to left hand side, transposing 3x to left hand side, it gives, because it is here positive sign, with a positive sign, if it comes this side, it becomes with a negative sign, or you can say subtrahend it becomes. So minus 35 is equals to 10x minus 3x, where 10x minus 3x is, you know, it is 7x, which is equals to minus 35. Now further 7 is multiplying, if it divides after coming this side, x equals to minus 35 divided by 7, because 7 multiplicand on transposing it will be divisor, and on simplification x value is minus 5. So we can conclude now x equals to minus 5 as the solution of this given equation. So students, this is the procedure of solving equations having variable term on both the sides. Now let us start exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3, I have got a question number 1 where 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Now straight away I will go for transposing 2x to left hand side, this variable term. I want all the variable terms in one side of equality, numbers on the other side of equality. Now 3x minus 2x is further simplified, which gives x equals to 18 is the solution. So is the solution of given equation. Students, now what do you mean by checking? They are asking not only solve, and they are asking to check. What do you mean by checking? Now let us see. Students, it is as simple as taking left hand side of equation given, substituting in it the value which you found, that is x equals to 18 you found, and 3 into 18 gives you 54. Taking separately RHS, remember it is separately taken, there should not be equal sign kept at all between them. It is far away I am writing, you watch. In the RHS, what I have got is Rx plus 18, substituting in the place of x, that 18 and 2 into 18 gives you 36 plus 18, and this total value is 54. Therefore, left hand side equals to right hand side, where the value obtained in left hand side on substituting the value of a variable is equals to the number or a value obtained in the right hand side after substituting the value of a variable or solution of the variable is getting equal. This is what checking is all about. Okay. Now, we will see for few more questions. Question number 2. Here 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. First, this subtrahend 3, I will transpose that side. So, 5t equals to 3t minus 5 plus 3, and here you could watch minus 5 plus 3 can be further simplified. So, 3t minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, where left hand side 5t we have. Now, I will transpose this 3t to left hand side. So, 5t minus 3t equals to minus 2. On simplification of 5t minus 3t gives you 2t equals to minus 2. This 2 is multiplicand. If it is transposed to right hand side, it does division, becoming divisor. So, minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. So, t equals to minus 1 is the solution. Students, this is the solution of given equation. Now, we will do checking. In the case of checking, you try to observe, I have to take separately LHS, that is 5t minus 3, substitute in that variable place the value which you have found. If we get the number what we have simplified further, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, minus 5 minus 3, minus 5 minus 3 gives you minus 8 is the value of left hand side. And separately I am doing right hand side now. Right hand side is 3t minus 5, 3 into minus 1 minus 5, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus 5 and minus 8. So, right hand side also I got the minus 8, left hand side also I got minus 8. So, therefore, left hand side value equals to right hand side value. It ensures us that while solving we did correctly, we did not go wrong anywhere. It confirms that t is equals to minus 3 is the only solution, it is the solution. Understood? For that reason, to see whether we have done correctly or not, we will do checking. Okay. Now, we shall take one more example. Here in the question number 3 of the exercise 2.3, 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. First, I am transposing 9 from left hand side to right hand side, which is addend, becomes subtrahend. Now, here like terms of 5 and minus 9 we will simplify. So, plus 3x I am writing first, and minus 9 plus 5 or plus 5 minus 9 whatever, this will be simplified. So, 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 is in right hand side and 5x I have left hand side. Now, I will transpose this 3x variable term to the left hand side, which gives me, because it is addend, it comes and gets subtracted, or it is with plus sign. If it comes this side, it becomes the subtrahend, or with minus sign I can say. So, 5x minus 3x equals to minus 4, which remains as it is here. So, 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x equals to minus 4, 2 is multiplying here. If it comes this side, it does division. So, x equals to minus 2 is the solution. So after finding solution, we'll go for checking. In checking, I have to take LHS separately, that is 5x plus 9. I have to substitute the value of x, which is minus 2, instead of the variable x. So 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 plus 9, minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. And similarly, we will do RHS separately. What is RHS? It is 5 plus 3x. On substitution, 3 of minus 2, the value of variable x. So 5 plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. So 3 plus of minus 6. I kept within bracket because the product of them is negative. I cannot have plus minus sign without being this bracket, without being number between them. So 5 removing bracket, plus into minus gives you minus 6. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So left hand side value, right hand side value are same. Therefore, left hand side value equals to right hand side value. That means we have done correctly solving. So this is the procedure. Students, rest of the questions I will discuss with you in my next session. So till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy. Jai Hind. Thank you.